Kai, do you want to walk?
Does his arms get tired?
No. He must have amazing upper body strength.
Oh no.
Good job, buddy.
He's in control.
He's in perfect control. Do you see the way he does a single arm?
He can
And then
go
he turns around like
he can go
it's...
over one to the other.
This isn't a problem. This is he's enjoying it.
Walk with Daddy and Ralph and Kai.
Yeah.
Well done, no-nos.
I'm going to
Drop.
Are you turning around? Well done, no-nos.
He's only 5.
Yeah, he's 5.
Very good.
How old is he?
6.
I'm
Oh, well done, no-nos.
I wrestled
Go on,
since he
you're
was
almost there
12,
now.
And I'm 6. And I won.
That's it, keep swinging
Keep
it out.
going, no,
Go on.
keep going.
Well
that's the
done,
man.
no-nos.
Do a half one.
Good work,
That's the
Dennis.
man. Keep going, keep going. You hold on.
No-nos, you are doing fantastic. Just 3 more to go now, big
I
man. Or
can touch that.
yeah, I know. Noah, you are doing so well. Oh, big grip. Oh, yeah.
Go on, do one more.
One more. Get a little bit closer.
He's hooked his legs around.
Oh, well done, no-nos.